Hey everyone, if you want to connect DroidCam to your PC using Wi-Fi, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you the complete setup step by step, so let's get started. First, install the DroidCam app on your phone and the DroidCam client on your Windows PC. Then connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Yeah, this is important because DroidCam needs both devices on the same local network. Next, open the DroidCam app on your phone. On the main screen, you'll see a device IP address and a DroidCam port number. Keep this screen open because you'll need these details on your computer. Now launch the DroidCam client on your PC and select the Wi-Fi connection option. Enter the exact IP address and port number shown in the phone app. Double-check every number before continuing. After that, select whether you want to enable video, audio, or both. Then click Start or Connect. Within a few seconds, your phone's camera should appear in the DroidCam preview. If it doesn't connect, make sure both devices are still using the same Wi-Fi network. Also check that the IP address and port number are correct. You can restart the DroidCam app, PC client, or router if necessary. For smoother video, keep your phone close to the router and avoid heavy downloads or streaming on the same network. You know, a strong Wi-Fi connection can make a noticeable difference. And that's it. You've successfully connected DroidCam to your PC using Wi-Fi. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the